Guys, welcome back. Today we will show you the bird sanctuary. So, my dad, we visited this bird sanctuary. There are lots of sounds. As I rarely saw some birds. I rarely. It's true. There's only I saw a fox and a woodpecker. That's all. Nothing else. But there are birds. I won't lie. There are birds. You can hear the background noises. It says though we are going in a deeper part of the air is humming. This place is called CKBS. CKBS most probably. This is the CKBS full form is Chinta Monikar or Bird Sanctuary. This is a very what should I say, rural place a little bit, but it's in town. Towers are there. There are not many people visiting this. Ooh, what? I came across this weird place. You see? I hope you saw it. I didn't bought my actual camera. There are people, not many, but people doing stuff. There are butterflies there, and I can hear birds. I won't lie, I can hear birds. But, we have to explore this whole thing. Explore this place. It's going a little bit darker, so let's check. So guys, it's a dark place. I will cut the video over here, but I will show you the overview of this sanctuary. So this is the overview of the bird sanctuary. This is a bird bathing area. It's eerie, very eerie. As you know, I am an Indian and I am doing these vlogs. A very small channel I have, a very small family. So, if I manage to show you anything nice, please like, and you like my content, please like the video. This is a little hobo shack or a little shed to rest. Yes, this. You can say that it is a good horror movie set. My parents are going that way. Oh, these things are pretty boring stuff, but pretty nice to discover. Okay, I will show you some. I will cut the video, and if I get something nice, I will show you. Guys, I need to show you this. This looks so creepy. If it's night, the sanctuary is closed at night, but it's so creepy. When we were interviewing the staff, they said it is a set for horror movies. Many shootings are there. Many people come here. This place is more or less a jungle. Live jungle, live jungle. You can see if you fell from here, I won't guess that we will come back. We can hear the birds, but we can't see them. The only thing as a bird I saw was a woodpecker and a fox. That's all. Ooh, we are entering the dark area. I hope this leads to someone nice, Oh, I saw a bird. I saw a bird, guys. A jungle peacock. I saw a jungle peacock somewhere. It must be here. It must be here, guys. a jungle peacock, guys. Sorry, but I couldn't show you at in time. I was at the back. Can you see it? It's there. There, it's moving. It left. Anyways, guys, I show you a jungle peacock. It's nice over here. So that adds it to our list. 2 birds only. 2 birds. A jungle peacock and a woodpecker. That's all. That's all. I hope you saw the jungle peacock. Ooh, this is eerie, very eerie. Boo. Sorry guys, I was just feeling like to joke around. This is weird. Pretty weird. It isn't. So as you know, as we are discovering the sanctuary more and more, we came across more and more people. I thought I was the only, me and my family and I was the only one over here. But there are many people. Though this sanctuary doesn't have any advertisements or anything, but people who love nature can spend some time over here. That's my opinion. And so I will show you the end of this. Oh, as we are talking about the end, we are at the end. Most probably. Nope. There's always a way. An eerie way, I would say. Very eerie. I guess we took a wrong turn. That's why we are at this eerie place. Though I won't lie, when we were interviewing the staff, they also said that this is not only birds. There are also other animals like a fox. I will add a picture of the fox and the woodpecker later in the video. So as you can see, there are not many things over here, but we took a wrong turn. That's why we met a dead end. And dead end. The fox that I saw was in a cage, but I more or less saw mongoose here. And the staff also said there are snakes. No, not poisonous or venomous snakes. There is a special type of snake. I forgot the name. Let's ask my mom. So guys, I am with my mother. The Bengali name of the snake was Darash. My mother is Bengali and I am also in Bengali, but I prefer to talk in English to you guys because I think it's the universal. It's the language that we all understand, more or less all. So that's in Bengali we call it Darash. I don't know what we call it in the English, but I will. Sitting area. Nah, I'm not going to sit there. It's very fine, you know. For a Gen Z like me, it's very fine, cool. Ooh, I feel like to sing over here. Though if I sing over here, all the birds will run. Literally. I just don't expect to see any snake guests over here. Okay, let's move on. So guys, I am coming out of the sanctuary. It was awesome. I saw many birds. I have taken pictures. I'll put all the pictures at the end of the video. Okay. It is awesome. And the thing that scared me the most, an Indian monitor lizard. No, I am not joking. An Indian monitor lizard. In this place, there is a literal Indian monitor lizard roaming around. Means there is one man, there is more. And I am very scared looking at that. But But that was the size of a Komodo dragon, Indian monitor lizard, and the size of a Komodo dragon. It scared me. My spine ran a chill. Chill ran down my spine. Whatever. I forgot English after looking at that. It was awesome. But I couldn't take a picture, unluckily, because it was so sudden. So they didn't lie. There are snakes, but a monitor lizard is too much. For me, this place should be named environmental animal sanctuary, not a bird sanctuary. The number of birds I saw was 4. 4 birds in total in a whole sanctuary. Okay, guys, I am hopping off for now. But it's a good filmy set for haunted and what should I say? Haunted and army stuff films. Okay, bye. Bye, bolo.
বাই
Bye.